I know what you're wondering. You're wondering, does that lamp actually glow in the dark? Well, the answer is, it does. Now, the other thing that you're wondering is, how can you make one of these lanterns? And the answer is by following the tutorial that I have linked in the description. It is very, very easy to follow. It is very, very cheap, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. With it, you can make a Halloween lantern with a skull on it. You can even make a lantern with anything else you want on it. Doesn't have to be Halloween. Doesn't have to be a skull. You can follow the instructions on how to do your own drawing, or you can print out your own. You can print out a skull from wherever and not even have to draw it. Just depends on what you want to do. The materials are cheap. They're basically office supplies. You probably already have them in your house. And I think you'll really have fun doing it. So, why don't you click on the link and give it a try? At least tell me what you think, because I'm pretty proud of this thing, to be honest. It's a pretty cool skull lamp, and it did not take much at all to do. So, hope you enjoy.